My name is Buck. I make $55,000 a year. I pay my bills on time. I don't live lavishly. And 12 days after my last paycheck, I had $47 in my checking account. For a long time, I thought it was me. I thought I was just bad at money. Turns out I would start investing when I had more money. When things settled down, when I had a real handle on my finances. I said this at 22, at 25, at 32. My coworker started putting $200 a month into a nifty 50 index fund at age 22. I started at 32. Same job, same salary, same $200 a month. At 65, she has $1.1 million. I have $630,000. The difference is $470,000. From waiting 10 years, from $200 a month. Time is the only ingredient that money cannot replace. And I spent 10 years of it waiting for a perfect moment that was never going to arrive. Here is the 3-step escape. Step 1. The next raise you get. Invest 50% of it before you touch it. Automate the transfer. Make it invisible. You will never miss money you never had. Step 2. Pick your highest interest debt and make one extra payment per month. Even $50. Just one. Watch the math change faster than you think. Step 3. Open a Roth IRA today. Not this weekend, today. Fidelity or Schwab. Takes 5 minutes online. Start with $25. The amount does not matter yet. The habit does. I'm not rich, not even close. But I stopped walking into traps, and that is exactly where it starts. This is Broke Buck. Subscribe, because there are about 40 more things the system never taught us. New video every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. See you there.